In this video, we will talk about a sign that has never happened in the entire history of mankind. Yet some scholars say that this sign will occur before the arrival of Imam Mahdi. But what is this sign? Is it scientifically possible? And is it going to happen soon? These are the questions we will answer in this video, so make sure to watch until the end. Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the latest updates from the world of Islam. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of our videos. Now, brothers and sisters, let me ask you a question. What comes to your mind when you hear the name of Imam Mahdi? A controversial topic with various opinions and beliefs, yet an essential figure in Islamic eschatology. He is seen as the righteous leader who will guide humanity towards justice and peace in the latter days. Many believe he will be a descendant of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, with a mission to establish truth and eradicate falsehood, oppression, and injustice. The exact nature of his mission is debated. Some scholars believe he will be a political and military leader, while others see him as a spiritual and religious guide. Regardless, his mission is said to mark a turning point in human history, bringing about justice and equality for all. But have you heard of a particular sign that is said to appear before the arrival of Imam Mahdi, a sign that has never occurred throughout the entire history of humanity? In this video, we will explore this topic, looking into prophetic narrations, its astronomical feasibility, and the potential implications if it were to happen in our lifetime. According to Hadith, the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "The sun and the moon will eclipse during the month of Ramadan." This indicates that a solar and lunar eclipse will happen in the same month of Ramadan. However, this is not about the usual eclipses we witness every year. It refers to a rare celestial event that has never before occurred in Ramadan. To understand this better, let's briefly explain. A lunar eclipse happens when the Earth casts its shadow on the moon, sometimes turning it reddish due to the scattering of sunlight. A solar eclipse happens when the moon passes between the Earth and the sun, casting a shadow over the Earth. For both a solar and lunar eclipse to occur in the same month, several conditions must align. The moon must be in a specific phase, and the orbital mechanics of the Earth and moon must synchronize perfectly. While eclipses are common individually, having both occur within the same lunar month is extremely rare. It usually happens once or twice a year, but almost never within the same month of Ramadan. So is it scientifically possible? Yes. Astronomers say it is theoretically possible, though the probability is very low, around 0.6%. Rarely history has recorded such events. For example, in October 1492, a total solar eclipse and a total lunar eclipse happened in the same month. Similarly, in 2004, both occurred within a short period. Though uncommon, these events show that the Hadith could indeed be true. Looking ahead, astronomical calculations suggest that in the year 2026, such an event might happen again. A total lunar eclipse is expected on March 3rd, which could coincide with the beginning of Ramadan, and a partial solar eclipse is expected on March 17th, in the middle of Ramadan. If these align, it would match the description in the Hadith. But remember, these are scientific estimates, not exact predictions. The timing remains known only to Allah. Now let's reflect on the significance. The occurrence of a solar and lunar eclipse in the same Ramadan is a rare and awe-inspiring phenomenon. For Muslims, it is a reminder of the greatness of Allah, who controls the universe and all natural events. In Islamic eschatology, it is seen as a sign of the end times and the awaited arrival of Imam Mahdi. This prophecy reminds us of the urgency to live by the teachings of Islam, to strive for justice and righteousness, and to remain prepared at all times. It also carries hope, for Imam Mahdi's arrival is believed to usher in an era of peace, justice, and prosperity. In conclusion, The hadith about a solar and lunar eclipse in Ramadan is a fascinating prophecy. While its exact timing is uncertain, the possibility in 2026 has drawn much attention. As Muslims, we should approach it with awe and reflection, recognizing the wisdom of Allah. More importantly, we should use it as inspiration to live righteous lives, seeking knowledge, spreading awareness, and working toward a just and compassionate world. Thank you for watching. We hope this video was informative and thought-provoking. Stay tuned for more content, and may Allah guide us all to the truth.